Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore how you can become an AI specialized logistics consultant. We'll cover everything from understanding the basics of AI to applying advanced algorithms in logistics, helping you stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the insights and tools you need to excel. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized logistics consultant, you can future proof your skills, ensuring you stay relevant in an ever changing job market. With AI expertise, you'll unlock more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals who can integrate AI into their operations. Additionally, AI skills often lead to higher salaries as they enable you to be more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as your assistant. This not only enhances your value, but also positions you at the forefront of innovation in logistics. Ready to transform your career? Let's get started. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized logistics consultant. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure you have access to the latest advancements and tools relevant to logistics. Our curriculum is continuously updated to reflect the newest trends and technologies so you can maintain your competitive edge and drive innovation in your field. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for aspiring AI specialized logistics consultants. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for logistics, and utilize organized AI tools to enhance your expertise. Join our course and certification program to elevate your career in logistics with AI. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for logistics consultants. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert logistics consultant. You can start a 3-day trial today.